To set up Bixby for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all, let's open our Galaxy wearable app on the smartphone device currently connected with the smartwatch. Move to the watch settings and then scroll down. First, let's visit the accounts and backup. Here you need to make sure that you have your Samsung account signed in. If not, click on this button right here. It will transfer you to your Samsung website and you can log into your account. When you're done, you can go back to the settings page and select advanced features, go for Bixby. And here we need to actually transfer to our watch. So let's wait till it's loaded and then click on the arrow. Here you will see every permission that you need to grant and move to the next step. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a second. The setup takes a bit longer than usual, so I think the reason might be that we're in the power saving mode. So if you encounter this issue, just go to the battery settings and make sure that the power saving is off. Now let's go back to advanced features and Bixby. So basically for the app it's already set up, so you should be able to start using your Bixby right after this finishes, and you can do it by saying hi Bixby and then saying whatever you want to your assistant. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.